Deire. This is my 1995 Nissan Skyline R33 GTR. Bought it in 2020 in Okinawa, Japan. Built by N Factory.
Stock?
I bought this one, yeah, stock. It's got HKS GTSS turbos, Nismo, fuel injectors. I think they're 600 cc's, but I'm going to up that to around 1600 cc's so I can run E85. It's running on a PEC ECU. I got to upgrade that. Probably going to go with a Haltech Elite or a Link G4. I can't decide which one I'm going to do yet, but yeah, this car is going to go from 450 horsepower to 750 like that, so. So when we were in Okinawa, we called it Toge. So this car it's perfect for the canyon runs. I never went sideways. It always just, I full throttle into the corner. It's just going.